Good afternoon. Welcome to the chemistry class. Today in this class we will discuss about the chapter organic compounds containing nitrogen. Okay, beside halogen and oxygen, the element which is quite common in organic compounds is nitrogen. So organic compound containing nitrogen constitute a very important class of organic compounds. Some of them, example amino acids and proteins, are the essential for animal and plant life and are referred to as the molecules of life. In the forthcoming discussion, we shall study the chemistry of some important class of organic compounds containing nitrogen. Okay, so the important functional group containing nitrogen correspond to the class of organic compounds and their general formula are given in table. CN, known as the cyanide or nitrile compounds, general formula RCN. Isocyanide NC, general formula NC. Cyanates O C triple bond N, called cyanates, general formula ROC triple bond N. N double bond C double bond O, known as isocyanates, general formula RNCO. And nitro compounds, general functional group N double bond O and coordinate bond O, known as the nitro compounds, and general formula R and double bond O. Nitrites ONO are called nitrites RONO. NH2 amines, primary amines, RNH2, NH functional group, secondary amines, 2 alkyl group and NH, secondary amines, tertiary amines, 3 alkyl group and N. And diazonium salt are basically when N triple bond N group is present at aromatic system like benzene, then they are known as the diazonium salts. Okay, so now firstly we will discuss about cyanides and isocyanides. Okay, so cyanide means CN group are called cyanides, and isocyanide NC group means the compounds obtained by the replacement of hydrogen cyanide by an alkyl or aryl group are called cyanides or nitriles. Example HCN, hydrogen is replaced and alkyl group is attached, then they are known as alkyl cyanides. Hydrogen isocyanide, then here also plus R is added and minus R is removed. They are known as alkyl isocyanides. Okay, now isocyanide groups are cyanide groups are basically act as a ambident nature, because in this group during the reaction it can be nitrogen can be attached with the carbon atom or with the nitrogen atom. Means in cyanide group both the carbon and nitrogen atom can donate the lone pair of electron and bind with other molecules, so they are known as the ambident compounds. Now nomenclature of the cyanides and isocyanides. So cyanides are basically common name methyl cyanide or acetonitrile, but in IUPAC name the for CN group nitrile suffix is used. So here there are two carbons, eth single bond N nitrile, ethane nitrile, like that propane nitrile, butane nitrile, and propyl cyanide, here 2 methyl propane nitrile. So like that other name will be named by this functional group. So these are the IUPAC name of the nitrite group. Okay, now come to the general methods of preparation of cyanides and isocyanides. So first, from alkyl halides. So when alkyl halides means RX react with KCN, alcoholic cation, heat, then RCN will be formed and KX will be removed. Okay, this is known as the basically alkyl cyanide. For example, you will take methyl group at the place of R and bromo group at the place of X. React with KCN, then ethyl nitrile will form and KBr will be removed. Okay. Next, from acid amides. So acid amide RCONH2 react with P2O5 or SOCl2. After heating, this NH2 group will be convert CONH2 group will be converted into C triple bond N group after removal of water. Okay, for example, if you will take methyl group at place of R, then ethane nitrile compound will be formed. Okay. Next, third, aldooxymes from aldooxymes. So acetyl dooxymes CH3CH double bond NOH react with acetic anhydride. Here water molecule will remove and nitrogen group will attach and form cyanide group. Okay. Next, from Grignard reagents. So RMgX is called Grignard reagent, react with cyanogen chloride. Okay, in dry ether, then RCN is formed and magnesium halide is removed. Okay, for example, at the place of R you can take methyl group, then methyl cyanide will be formed. Next, from primary amines. Primary amines are RNH2, means when from NH2 there is an alkyl group is present, then they are called primary amines, react with chloroform in presence of alcoholic COH, KOH, and heated, then alkyl cyanide is formed and water will be removed. Okay, taking R as a ethyl group, then ethyl carbyl amine is formed. Okay, so these are the basic method of preparation for the cyanide compounds. Physical properties of cyanides. So the lower alkyl cyanides and isocyanides are colorless liquid, while the higher member of crystalline and solids. Okay, isocyanides possesses very unpleasant odor. Okay, so polar nature. So cyanides are highly polar compound and possesses dipole moment of order of 4d. Polar means when cyanide group one bond will be shifted and nitrogen will contain negative charge and carbon will contain positive charge. Means when in a molecule there is a two opposite poles are present, then they are known as polar compounds. So cyanides are act as a polar compounds. Okay, boiling points. So due to polar nature, both cyanide and isocyanides possesses strong intermolecular dipole-dipole interaction, due to which the boiling points are higher in cyanides than alkyl halides. Means the boiling points of alkyl cyanides are higher than alkyl halides, because in alkyl cyanides there is a intermolecular dipole-dipole interaction will be present, due to which the boiling point of alkyl cyanide will be increased. Okay. Solubility. So the lower alkyl cyanides are fairly soluble in water due to formation of hydrogen bond, but higher will be lower, but higher cyanides will be slightly soluble in water due to presence of more number of carbon alkyl group. They are less soluble. Okay. So these are the basic physical properties of alkyl cyanides. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. In the next topic, we will discuss about the chemical properties. Thank you.